When you drive a Mercedes-Benz, you're investing in more than transportation. You're experiencing luxury, precision, and performance engineering. To keep your vehicle performing at its best, expert care isn't just recommended, it's essential. In this video, we'll explore common repair issues, essential maintenance, and how choosing the right repair center protects your car's value and driving experience. Mercedes-Benz vehicles are equipped with advanced electronics, specialized drivetrains, and unique systems. Servicing these requires certified technicians, manufacturer-specific diagnostic tools, and OEM parts. This ensures every repair meets the strict performance standards Mercedes-Benz owners expect. Some of the most frequent issues involve the electrical system, affecting everything from sensors to locking mechanisms. Transmission concerns, especially in models with 5G-tronic, 7G-tronic, or 9G-tronic systems, can cause gear shifting delays or dashboard warnings. In higher-end models, AIRMATIC suspension problems can impact ride quality and vehicle height, making prompt repairs critical. Recognizing early warning signs can prevent costly repairs down the line. Dashboard alerts, unusual smells, fluid leaks, or rough idling are clear indicators that your vehicle needs professional attention. Addressing issues early preserves your vehicle's reliability and safety while avoiding bigger repair bills. Routine maintenance is equally important. Following your Service A and Service B schedules for oil changes, brake checks, and fluid inspections ensures your Mercedes stays in peak condition. Preventive care enhances performance, fuel efficiency, and extends the lifespan of your vehicle's systems. When it's time for service, selecting the right repair shop makes all the difference. Choose a facility with certified Mercedes-Benz technicians, OEM parts, and advanced diagnostic tools. A reputable shop will offer clear estimates, explain repairs thoroughly, and stand behind their work with solid warranties. Delaying needed repairs can lead to more than just vehicle performance issues. Water leaks, electrical shorts, and engine problems can cause additional wear, higher energy use, and safety hazards. Acting promptly preserves your vehicle's performance, value, and driving experience, and spares you from unnecessary repair bills down the road. If you're in need of Mercedes-Benz repairs, trust the experienced professionals at Perris Auto Repair Center. From advanced diagnostics to precision repairs, our certified technicians deliver expert service designed to keep your luxury vehicle running as it should. Call us today at 951-943-2677 to schedule your Mercedes-Benz service and experience the expert care your vehicle deserves.